Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer feature requests into Linear from Intercom detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer feature requests into Linear from Intercom, start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the conversations section where feature requests are identified. Filter the conversations to display only those tagged as feature requests. Select a conversation that contains a feature request you want to transfer. Open the conversation and review the details of the request. Copy the main points and context of the feature request for reference. Now, switch to your Linear account. In Linear, navigate to the project or backlog where you want to add the feature request. Click on the New Issue button to create a new entry. In the issue title, summarize the feature request clearly and concisely. In the description box, paste the details you copied from Intercom. Add any additional context or insights that may help the development team understand the request better. Assign the new issue to the appropriate team member or yourself for follow-up. Set the priority level based on the urgency and importance of the feature request. If necessary, add labels or tags that correspond to the request's category. Once everything is filled out, click the Create Issue button to save your new feature request. Repeat this process for any other requests you want to transfer from Intercom to Linear. Finally, confirm all feature requests have been accurately logged in Linear. Review the requests periodically to ensure they're being addressed in your project planning. This process will help streamline your feature request management between Intercom and Linear effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.